कैरेमिटी स्टाइल। तो कैसे है आप लोग? आज का ट्यूटोरियल बहुत ही बढ़िया है। आप भी ऐसे एडिट करना चाहते हो तो वीडियो पूरा का पूरा देखना होगा। सो लेट्स डू। Today we need only 3 apps. Please go to the Play Store and you easily search background eraser. It's our first apps, and second apps Snapsheet, and third apps PicsArt. You can easily find these apps on Play Store. Now we first do share this picture and go to Snapsheet. Today one thing is very important because we need more space. Then we go to the expand and smart, click the smart and up to the area. Easily done, and again. Then again. Done. Maybe this picture is perfect. So there is damage. You look, there is damage. So you click pen and healing. Go to the healing. You easily mark this area and clean this space. Easily done. Now it's looking very cool and hot. So done this picture and save. Now we go to background eraser apps. Which picture you cut? This picture upload here. Now you easily crop this picture. You done, and you easily erase the white area, just one click. Go to magic and size 1230 and touch white area and easily cut this picture. Now go to manual, increase your size and erase this area. Now this picture is perfect, so easily save this picture and some increase their cleaning and save. Finish. Already 80% is complete, so now we go to PicsArt application and click to the plus icon and input your picture which you edit. Input done. Then you go to add photo and upload your eraser photo, PNG photo. and you also zoom in and zoom out the perfect. Now this picture is perfect, so you save and go to the draw, click here and save this picture.